We'll guide you through how to use a TV without the remote control. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you're in the situation of where you've lost the remote, or maybe it's run out of battery, but you still want to be able to go and use your TV. You want to go and turn it on and maybe go and set a source to go and use a game console or something like that. We're going to guide you through how this can be done. Now you can see here we're doing this on a Hisense TV, but I'm going to try and keep this guide broad so you can go and follow along with different brands, so it shouldn't go unmatter. Make sure you watch this full guide though and don't go and skip anything, otherwise you may go and miss an important part of this video. Without any other further ado, let's get started. So what we're going to do is come onto the TV itself. Of course, make sure it's plugged in at the wall, and if there's a switch on that plug, make sure it's switched on. Now you're going to go and find that majority of TVs, all the TVs I've had, they actually have a physical button on them. This should not only just go and turn it on, but we can also go and control it pretty basically with it. So let's go and start locating this. So what you want to do is you want to go and place your hand at the bottom of the TV and start moving along it. And you may go and find it. Now what you may need to do is go and look on the sides here as well. Go and see if you can feel them. And look in the middle here and on the left and right. Usually it's going to be in the center point or on the sides, but it could be a bit off. But if you're struggling to go and find it, what I recommend you do is we're going to go and get our TV and we're going to go and put it on its side. So just carefully do this, pick it up, and you can go and put it like so on its back. And then what you can do is you can go and look at the bottom of it. You can then easily go and find the button. As you can see, it's here, which is quite far back from the front of it really, but you may need to go and look on the left or right, as I said before. So now we know where it is, let's go and put it back up. What I'm now going to do is go and tap and hold it just quickly like so, and hopefully it'll then turn on. If it doesn't, try doing it quicker or holding it for a longer time and try it multiple times and hopefully it'll then come on. So we've now got it on, and if we go and press it again, we can then go and see a list of options. Of course, this will vary a little bit depending upon the TV you have and the brand, but with this TV, you press it again when it's on and we have this menu and we can flick through it. The button can vary a little bit. Sometimes you can move it sort of to the down to the sides to go and change your option, but this we just tap through the list. So let's go and say I wanted to go and get to AirPlay. With that selected, you tap and hold it and it'll then go and open up AirPlay, as you can see. So you go and get the idea, and that's how it can be done. And of course you can go and adjust the volume here as well. I can change the TV channels and use the HDMI sources. And to then go and turn it off again, I can tap and hold it with the button like so. That's it. That is how you can go and use a TV without the remote. Hopefully you've managed to go and do this, and that's it. Leave a like if you found this useful.